Hey, so we are working on new belief to break new beliefs to break no more. And here's the belief that we're working on is that my values are my responsibilities. My responsibility. Your values are your responsibility. Living your value is your responsibility, not anyone else's. Living my value is my responsibility, not anyone else. Right? So it goes like this. Instead of blaming externally, you work on your internal ownership and then find power. Instead of pointing fingers, you stalk yourself and you're like, how can I own this? To nurture my power. This is the mechanic. This is how you start living in integrity with yourself and how you abide by principles of accountability. You take into account what's going on in the situation to take the power from it. Because the thing is that when you blame others, then you just you just give the power to others. You give the power to change everything. And in that moment, you are not owning any power of change. You're just saying it's your fault, it's your fault, it's your fault, it's your fault, it's your fault. But instead, what you can do is to take 100% ownership of how you ended up in this situation. It's like, don't take it personal, but you can take ownership of the situation. And if you assume that everything has been your responsibility from A to Z, which is radical ownership, radical accountability, which is what I have been doing my entire life, then you take back control, you take back power. You understand that in everything that has been happening, you have some decision, you can make some decisions, some changes that can just influence the entire motion. And this is how you reclaim true power, your power. And this is how, as well, you can implement your values with more ease because you know that it's already a responsibility at any point in time. So instead of blaming someone automatically, what you can do is just to pause, take at least, find at least one small part of the situation that you can own, and then you will see that you have power of change in this. Much love, along with your values.